What's up YouTube? You're watching Weapons Ready Tactical. In today's video, we're going to be making some modifications to my AR-15, making it a California compliant featureless rifle.
Okay, let's get right into it. So today we are going to be adding this VG6 muzzle brake, which is a high performance recoil reduction. And it's a Gamma 556. We're going to be installing this Mega Fin featureless grip, and we're going to be installing this Strike Industries stock stop, and also this Mega Fin featureless grip is also made by Strike Industries. And some of the tools you're going to need a Allen key wrench screwdriver for the screw in the grip. You're also going to need a armorer's wrench to replace the muzzle device. Okay, so we're going to start off with the pistol grip. you have it, everyone. You have now turned your AR-15 into a featureless rifle. So here we replace the pistol grip with the Strike Industries Mega Fin featureless grip. And here we turned a adjustable stock into a fixed stock. It's no longer adjustable. And here we have took off the flash hider and replaced it with a new muzzle device, which is the Gamma 556 by VG6. So there you have it, your featureless AR.
All right, everyone, that's it for the video. I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down in the comment section. All right, stay tactical. Let's